Have you ever wanted to see what your hair would look like before you dye it? Today I'm going to show you how. Hey guys, it's Connie here from Quick Edits. Today I'm going to show you how to change your hair color in Photoshop using hue and saturation. Okay, to start, I found this image online. It's going to be the perfect image to try and change the hair color. We're going to use it with only 2 layers. It's fairly simple, guys. Okay, I'm going to click on this one and we're going to press Command J to duplicate it. We're going to hide the one underneath. With the one on top, we're going to go up to Image, Adjustments, Hue and Saturation. Now this is where you're going to select what color hair you want. So we're going to use our top slider here on Hue, and we're just going to pick the color hair that we want to go to. Again, guys, don't worry about the face. Don't look at the face. Just look at the hair right now. Well, why don't we go for the dark purple there? I think that looks pretty decent. Okay, we're going to press OK. The next step is to use a mask on the top layer so we can paint the new color hair onto the bottom image. So we're going to click on the top layer. We're going to add in our mask. Now we want to hide everything on this layer. So we're going to go to our paint bucket tool. Make sure we're selected on black. And we're going to drop that while selected on our mask. And we're going to hide it. Now with our brush, we're going to switch it back to a white brush. Make sure we're on a decent sized brush. Not much hardness. There we go. That's perfect. We can see the size here. And we're just going to start painting back the colors that we want, just like this. And it's as simple as that, guys. All you have to do is just take some time. Make sure you got the right sizes. Just go around the hair and painting back our new color. Just like that. Obviously avoid the skin tones, otherwise you're going to turn that purple as well. I'm just going to follow down. And that there, guys, is looking pretty good. And suddenly we've got a brand new hair color. And this doesn't have to stop there. Using hue and saturation, you can change the color of pretty much anything you want. Let's do it again. This time we're going to do it to her eyes. We're going to hide her hair. Again, we're going to go back to our bottom layer. We're going to press Command J, duplicate it, hide the one underneath. Again, with our middle one here now, we're going to go Image, Adjustments, Hue and Saturation. This time, let's look at her eyes. And we're just going to see what color eyes. Wow, look at that, dark red there. We're going to use something like that. Press OK. And again, guys, we're going to have to add another mask. So on the middle layer, just press the mask, and that's going to give us a mask there. Using our paint bucket tool on black, we're going to hide it all. Seeing our layer underneath, using our brush, we're going to set it back to white, and we can just start painting back her eyes there. Look at that. And it's as simple as that, guys, how you want to change color of anything in your image. Perfect. And we can even mix it in with our top layer, so she has purple hair with red eyes. And there we go, guys. That's how you change colors using hue and saturation. Hope you enjoyed this really quick tutorial. Guys, don't forget to let me know what you'd like to see next in the comments below. And please make sure you drop a like as well. I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Bye.